2.3 watt hour battery. So this is the mic here for ANC. Today I have this Sennheiser HD 458BT. So in this video I am going to show you how to tear this down and let's see what is there inside. So without wasting any time, let's start tearing this down. So let's take out the ear pads very carefully, slowly pulling like this, it will come out. You can see without damaging we can take this out very easily. So similarly I am going to take the ear pads off of this side. So alright, simply by lifting like this it will come very easily. So that's it. So let me keep these ear pads separately. So now to access the motherboard side we have to take out 4 screws here. So this is plus screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. So I am going to use Phillips screwdriver here to take this out. So let me. So alright, I have taken the screws. Now slowly by pulling like this it will come out. So you can see this is the internal look of the motherboard. So all the controls, ports, I'm showing you in close up. So this is the internal look of the motherboard side of this Sennheiser HD 458BT. So alright, now let's see the other side of the headphones. So let me close this first. So alright, now it's time to open the other side where the battery is there. So let's take out the 4 screws. So alright, screws has been taken out. Now before taking this apart I want to show you. So this is the mic here for ANC. So this mic will be there on the other side here as well. So you can see there is a mic here. This is for active noise cancellation purpose. So behind that the driver will be there. So fine. Now let's simply pull this out. So alright, this is the battery here. So alright, the battery is 2.3 watt hour battery. So it will be 3.7 volts or 3.85 volts, which is not written here. So very good quality battery is here. And this is the basic board here. You can see the board is used to connect the wires from battery to the other side of the motherboard, Sennheiser HD 458BT. So this battery connects to this control here, socket here. There are many wires here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Approximately 10 connectors are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 10 connectors are there, 10 wires. So this two is for speaker and mic, and the other one goes to the other side of the ear headphone where the motherboard is there. So these 3 wires is batteries wire. So the socket goes directly to this board here. So red wire with plus, black one with minus, and the white wire is for the T, which is also for temperature. So alright, so let me put this back together. So alright, I have repacked it. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel, AudioWiz360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.